How to create a bootable USB for Windows 11. First, download the Windows 11 ISO file. Open your browser. Type Windows 11 ISO download. Here, select download Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. Click on confirm. Choose the language. Confirm again. Click on 64-bit download. Now wait for it. It will take a while to download. Beautiful. The ISO file is downloaded. Type Rufus download. Click on Rufus create bootable USB drives the easy way. Based on your platform, click on one of these links. So the first one is okay for me. It is downloaded. Now go to your download folder, insert a USB drive, and then double click on the Rufus software. Select the USB. In my case, it have selected the USB automatically. Put selection, disk or ISO image. Select it in the ISO file. Partition scheme for Windows 11 GPT. File system interface. So the label is give it Windows 111, and if you have any important file on your USB, copy it to somewhere else before you click on start. When you are ready, click on start. So these are some very interesting settings to remove the requirements for these options. Click on OK. So all data on the USB will be destroyed. Okay, this is going to take a while, so wait for it. It is finished. Close it. The bootable USB is ready. That's it guys. I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. We have published many helpful, useful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks and hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies and with your daily life. So check out our channel and watch also our other videos. Take care and have a wonderful time.